Okay, so here we go. I call it the mini me assignment. And basically, to merge two images together and kind of like manipulate yourself so that it seems like maybe you're, smaller or larger. And the first thing you do is lasso yourself. I do that with that magnetic lasso tool. And this way you can cut yourself out and put yourself into a different scene, change the size of yourself. And the magnetic lasso tool, I like it because it's kind of smart. Like it kind of knows where the lines are, and it's a smart tool, so it hugs the edges. And I'm just kind of doing this quick to save time, but if by any chance it's not really finding the line that you want it to, you could always click on it to help it along. I'm gonna even try to keep the shadow a little bit. Everything's still cut out. Then once the selection comes together, you get these marching ants, they call it. And then that's when you can choose the move tool and you can cut and move yourself. But let me just fix the fingers a little bit better. And how you do that is you can add to the selection on top. This is a little bit more of a loose tool, this lasso tool. Oh no, you got to add to the selection. But you could be a little more free with it. All right, so let's try that now. I'll move it now. How does it look? Not bad. Okay, so then you just move it into the different image. And I'm going to try transforming it. So go to Edit, Transform, Scale. I like to hold down the Shift button so it doesn't create any distortion. Oh, it's still distorting it though. How do I do it without? Yeah, if I just grab into the corner there. I don't know, it's just a fun little way to like do some kind of self-portraiture. I call it the mini me assignment. Then ready to erase the tool, change the size of the brush, just erase a little bit of that down there. Maybe even change the opacity. Just to blend it in a little bit. That's pretty much it. The end.